Miami Beach homeowners face unique challenges when it comes to maintaining and improving their properties. From the intense sun and salty ocean air to hurricane threats and high humidity, the environment can take a toll on your home's windows. If your windows are old, damaged, or inefficient, replacing them is one of the best investments you can make. Modern window replacement offers numerous benefits that enhance your home's comfort, safety, and value. Here are the top benefits of window replacement for Miami Beach homeowners. Superior hurricane and storm protection. Miami Beach is situated in a region prone to hurricanes and tropical storms. Traditional windows are often not built to withstand the high winds and flying debris these storms bring. This puts your home and family at risk of serious damage. Impact-resistant windows are specially engineered to provide superior protection during hurricanes. They are made with laminated glass and reinforced frames that resist shattering and prevent penetration from debris. By installing impact windows, you protect your home from potential storm damage, reduce repair costs, and enhance your family's safety. Replacing old windows with impact-resistant models is also a requirement in many parts of Miami-Dade County due to strict building codes aimed at improving storm resilience. This upgrade ensures your home meets local safety standards and adds peace of mind during hurricane season. Improve energy efficiency and lower utility bills. Miami Beach's hot, humid climate means air conditioning is essential for year-round comfort, but inefficient windows can lead to significant energy loss. Older windows often have single-pane glass and inadequate seals that allow heat and humidity to enter, forcing your cooling system to work harder. Modern replacement windows are designed with energy efficiency in mind. Features such as double or triple pane glass, low-E coatings, and gas fills between panes minimize heat transfer. These technologies help keep your home cooler in summer and warmer in winter, reducing your reliance on heating and cooling systems. By improving your home's insulation, new windows can lead to lower energy bills and a smaller carbon footprint, an important benefit for Miami Beach homeowners looking to reduce environmental impact while saving money. Enhanced home security. Security is a top concern for Miami Beach residents, and windows are a critical line of defense. Older windows may have outdated locks or weaker glass that can be easily broken, making your home vulnerable to intruders. Window replacement gives you the opportunity to upgrade to more secure options. Impact-resistant glass is much harder to break, and modern frames come with advanced locking mechanisms. Multi-point locks secure windows at multiple points along the frame, making forced entry extremely difficult. By installing new, secure windows, you protect your home and valuables, creating a safer environment for your family. Insurance companies often recognize this added security with discounts, providing additional savings. Reduced noise pollution. Miami Beach's vibrant urban environment means noise can be a constant issue, from traffic and construction to nightlife and beach crowds. Older windows with thin glass and poor seals allow unwanted noise to penetrate your home, reducing your indoor comfort. New replacement windows, especially those with laminated or impact glass, provide excellent noise reduction. The multiple layers of glass and insulating air spaces dampen sound waves, creating a quieter increased property value and curb appeal. Replacing windows is one of the most effective ways to boost your home's curb appeal. Old, worn, or damaged windows can make a home look dated and poorly maintained. In contrast, new windows refresh your home's exterior, enhancing its style and visual appeal. Whether your home features classic, Mediterranean, or modern architecture, window replacement offers a variety of styles, colors, and finishes to complement your design preferences. This aesthetic upgrade can make your home more attractive to potential buyers if you decide to sell. Additionally, energy-efficient windows are highly sought after in the real estate market. Buyers appreciate homes that promise lower utility bills, improved comfort, and enhanced security. Investing in window replacement helps increase your property's market value and can shorten the time on the market. Lower maintenance and increased durability. Maintaining older windows can be a hassle. Wooden frames require regular painting and sealing, and single-pane glass is prone to damage and wear. Miami Beach's salty air and humidity can accelerate deterioration, leading to costly repairs. Modern replacement windows use durable materials such as vinyl, fiberglass, or composite that resist warping, rotting, and corrosion. These materials require minimal maintenance, so you spend less time and money on upkeep. Durable windows also mean fewer repairs and replacements down the line, offering long-term savings and convenience. Conclusion: window replacement offers Miami Beach homeowners a wealth of benefits, from hurricane protection and energy savings to improved security, noise reduction, and enhanced curb appeal. The investment not only makes your home safer and more comfortable, but also boosts its value and lowers maintenance costs. If your windows are outdated, damaged, or inefficient, upgrading to modern replacement windows is a smart decision that will protect your home against Miami Beach's unique environmental challenges and improve your quality of life. Working with experienced local professionals ensures you get the best products and installation, maximizing the benefits of your new windows for years to come.